Living with high blood pressure? You don't need to give up flavor to eat healthy. Today, we'll explore 10 global salt swaps that keep your food delicious without raising your blood pressure. Your daily goal: keep sodium under 1,500 milligrams. That's about 2/3 of a teaspoon of table salt. These swaps help lower sodium, boost nutrients, and protect your heart. Salt swap. 1. Herbs and fresh spices. Replace salt with flavor from herbs and spices. Global. Garlic, onion powder, ginger. Mediterranean. Basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary. South Asian. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, curry leaves. African. Parsley, cilantro, lemongrass. Latin American. Cilantro, paprika, lime zest. Mix herbs with olive oil or vinegar for flavorful marinades. Salt swap. 2. Add acid salt swap. 3. Natural heat salt swap. 4. Whole foods. Overprocessed. Most salt comes from packaged foods. Choose fresh or homemade versions. Instead of instant noodles, plain rice noodles with herbs. Salt swap. 5. Salt-free blends. Try spice mixes with no added sodium. Salt swap. 6. Umami powder. Salt swap. 7. Fresh over processed. Eat more fresh foods, less packaged ones. Salt swap. 8. Drink smart. Salt swap. 9. Natural salty foods. Some foods taste naturally salty, like celery, carrots, or seaweed. Salt swap. 10. Retrain your taste buds. Cut your salt in half for 2 to 3 weeks. Your taste buds will adapt. Global flavor combos. Try these global no-salt flavor mixes. Mediterranean, olive oil plus garlic plus lemon plus oregano. Asian, ginger plus lime plus chili plus sesame oil. African, tomato plus chili plus coriander plus parsley. Latin American, lime plus cilantro plus cumin plus paprika. Middle Eastern, lemon plus garlic plus sumac plus mint. Outro. CTA healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about smart flavor swaps. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health videos from Chronic Health Lab. Question: what's your favorite salt-free seasoning from your culture? Comment below.